Right on this side. Clear off the lens a little if it has mud on it. I can't tell. Yeah, fourth gear. Woo! And the Cooney does alright in the top gears. Dylan's not a fourth gear rider yet, apparently. That's okay. I'll wait over here for him.
A few moments later.
Oh, he made it. Doing pretty good. I think this is his third ride now. Yeah, it's doing alright. A lot of sitting still. Gotta practice standing more. Mind you, I don't stand a ton either. Yeah, this is fun. Way less muddy. Stop! Holy fuck, he's brave. Good job, man! Holy fuck! That's kind of crazy. I'm gonna go the easy way. Go around, Dylan. Well, at least you committed. That's what you gotta do. If you're gonna go for it, go for it. You chose the right line though, right? The way you went was the best way you could have went.
12 seconds later.
Do you want to go that way? Or do you want to go that way? I don't know. I'll have a look. Get your bike started. We can go that way and it's mostly grass. This way is easy. guess he didn't hear me or see me. I don't think he fucked off. Ooh. Alright, back we go. It's easy that way, but when you come back here, you better remember what's here. Go around that shit. That's a death trap. Especially being roots and slimy. But yeah, you can go that way. It's easy. Just stay away from the fence. Want to go back? Okay, just go around that circle then. Go ahead. Oh, fuck. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, shit. I lost my fucking Kickstarter. Dylan! Oh my god.
A few minutes later.
Got a tow strap with me. But if he doesn't pay attention, I'm stuck walking. Probably not gonna find my Kickstarter either. Fuck. Every fucking trip now. Starting to lose something.
A few moments later.
Maybe I can jump start my bike here. Probably not. Holy shit, that worked. Amazing. Back in business. That was a fluke. Holy fuck. Right on. There's someone else little. What the fuck, that thing was can't hear me, it's because my mic broke off, but anyway, Dylan's back at camp. Alright, time to fucking go home, I think. Yeah. What a fucking retard. I guess my fix didn't work. Punishment, walk back the bike a fucking mile. Well, I'm going to take a shortcut through the fucking woods.